Hey, amazing teachers! You know that moment when your class volume slowly climbs from pleasant cafe ambiance to airport runway? Instead of shouting over the chaos like a desperate sports announcer, try this. Quietly walk to your designated reset spot. That's it. Just move. Pick a very special place in your room. Corner by the bookshelf, by the door, next to your dramatic plant. And every time things get loud, you stroll there like you're starring in a very calm teacher documentary. Students notice immediately. They freeze. They whisper, uh-oh, they're in the spot. Here's a super concrete version. Mark your reset spot with a small rug, a taped square, or even a random llama poster. Because why not? When noise rises, you pause, walk to the spot, and wait. No talking, no lecturing, no disappointed sighs. Worthy of an Oscar. Just stand there, calm and majestic, until the room settles. Then you return to teaching in the target language like nothing ever happened. My reset spot is next to a fake plant I named Señor Helecho, who silently judges everyone with me. To add even more magic, lightly exaggerate the move. Slowly head turn, soft eyebrow raise, or even a dramatic teacher pivot. Students love a good pivot. Within a week, they'll reset themselves the second you start walking. And if you want even more low prep routines, visuals, and target language friendly ways to manage your class without losing your voice, grab the CI Survival Kit with Ask a Story slides in French, German, and Spanish at mm.us/kit. Your reset spot and your sanity will thank you. Happy comprehensible input.